Welcome back to our channel, Shah the IT Guy. Today, we're kicking off a new journey with our network tutorial series, starting with Mikrotik firewalls. Why Mikrotik? Well, because it's a bit challenging and requires manual configurations. This makes it perfect for those new to network firewalls and routers, as it helps you gain a deeper understanding and better knowledge. Why do we need network firewalls? Before diving into Mikrotik firewalls, let's talk about why we need these devices to handle the internet and networks. Protection. Network firewalls act as a barrier between your internal network and potential threats from the internet. They help protect your data and systems from unauthorized access, viruses, and other malicious activities. Monitoring. Firewalls allow us to keep an eye on network traffic. This helps in identifying unusual or suspicious activities, ensuring everything is running smoothly and securely. Control. With protection and monitoring in place, we can control our network. Firewalls give us the ability to set rules and policies, determining what traffic is allowed or blocked. This ensures that only legitimate data flows through, maintaining the integrity and efficiency of the network. Exploring different network firewalls. In this series, we'll be exploring various network firewalls like Cisco, FortiGate, and the easier-to-use UniFi solutions. We'll go through each one step by step to understand their unique features and configurations. But first, we're starting with Mikrotik. As I mentioned before, it's a bit challenging and requires manual configuration. This makes it incredibly interesting and educational, especially for those new to network firewalls and routers. By tackling the complexities of Mikrotik, you'll gain a deeper understanding and valuable skills that can be applied to other firewall solutions. Getting started with Mikrotik firewalls. For those ready to dive into the world of Mikrotik, you have a couple of great options. You can either buy a small Mikrotik device like the HAP or HEX, which are affordable and powerful. Or you can use a VM. There's a VM image available on the Mikrotik official site that you can use to get started right away. Both options are fantastic for learning and experimenting with Mikrotik firewalls. Small devices offer hands-on experience, while VMs provide flexibility and convenience. So, pick whichever suits your needs best. Stay tuned for more. That's it for today's introduction to Mikrotik firewalls. In our next video, we'll dive into the tutorial and start configuring our Mikrotik devices step by step. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Whether you're using a small Mikrotik device like the HAP or HEX, or a VM, we'll guide you through every step of the way. Stay tuned and get ready to master Mikrotik. And don't forget to subscribe.